Yes, sir.
Can you read what is written on the
Yes,
board?
sir.
All right. Okay, okay. Now, how many letters are there in this word?
Five.
Tell me,
Five.
how many letters are there in the word? Five letters. Five letters are. And you can see all the letters are different. All the letters are different. R, A, D, H, E. All the letters are different. If you are asked how many different words can be formed using all the letters, using all the letters at a time. So total we have five letters and all five are to be used. Means 5 P 5. Means total letters are 5 and all total 5 are to be used. Then 5 P 5. And hello. So this is what? Factorial 5 upon factorial 5 minus 5. This is factorial 5 upon factorial 0. And factorial 0 is equal to 1. So this result is factorial 5. Means if 5 things are given and all are used at a time. Hello? Hello? Good morning. कौन? Who is talking? Classes started already. Don't disturb me between the classes. So, as many things are given, and if all the terms are to be used, in that case, we use factorial that much, or 5p5, 5npn, whatever is. But tell me one thing, if I write, see, what is written? What is written there, students?
Radha.
Radha.
Please tell me. Students, are you getting my voice?
Radha.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Are you
sir.
getting my voice? Radha.
Yes,
Radha
sir.
is written. So, see, in this also the same number of letters are there, 5 letters. But two of them are same, A and A. A and A are same. So, in this case, when we find the permutation of this kind of situation, when things are repeated, things are similar, in that case, what we do, see, tell me one thing, if this A comes here and this A comes here, is there any change?
No,
We
sir.
have changed the places of A. We have changed the places of A. Is there any change? No.
No, sir.
Means you will get the same name. So in that case, what we do? Factorial 5 upon factorial 2. Factorial 2 means its value is 2. Means when you form the word, you will have Radha where it is A is changing its place. It means we divide by that much. मीन्स जो लेटर रिपीट करता है या जितनी बार आता है उतना फैक्टोरियल से डिवाइड कर देते हैं. दिस इज द रिपीटेशन. दिस इज द रिपीटेशन के केस. सो जैसे हमने एग्जांपल दिया, हियर इट वाज राधे, ऑल लेटर्स वर डिफरेंट, तो परमुटेशन 5p5. हियर वी हैव राधा, means A is twice. A is twice means you will divide the total number of permutation by 2, because दो वर्ड ऐसे होंगे जिसमें A और A इंटरचेंज करके बनेगा. एक राधा ये बना हुआ पहले से और एक A यहाँ आएगा और एक A यहाँ आएगा. तो दो सिचुएशन हुए तो 2 से हम डिवाइड कर देंगे बिकॉज द वर्ड इज सेम. तो दिस वॉज द केस व्हेन थिंग्स आर रिपीटेड. नाउ we had solved two exercises. We had solved two exercises. Let's start exercise 7.3. Very simple exercise it is. I am going to start exercise 7.3. Let's see. I am reading the first question. This kind of question you have done already. Let's see. The first question is, how many 3-digit numbers can be formed using the digits 1 to 9? So total number of digits is 9. Starting from 1 to 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, total 9 digits. And how many digits we are using at a time? 3 digits. So how to write? First question. Number of digits given is 9. Number of digits to be used is 3. So number of will find 9p3 means out of 9 letters, 9 number digits, we are using 3. And I have told what is NPR. This is factorial n upon factorial n minus r. So on that basis we will explain this. We have factorial 9 upon factorial 9 minus 3. This is factorial 9 upon factorial 6. Expand this. So we have 9 into 8 into 7 into this factorial 6 as much because we have 6 in denominator. This will go. Now you can multiply this. 9 is 72, 7 to the 14, and 7 are 49, and 150. So 504 is your answer. 504 is your answer. Any doubt, students?
No, sir.
Students, any doubt?
No, sir.
All right. Let's see question number 2. Question number 2. How many 4-digit numbers are there with no digit repeated? How many 4-digit numbers are there with no digit repeated? So when you form the number, in that number you will have 0, you have 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see. Total digits are 0 to 9. That is 10 digits. Try to understand. 10 digits. And using these 10 digits, we have to form 4-digit numbers. Try to understand. Suppose this is 1's place, 10's place, 100th place, 1000th place. If you are forming 4-digit number, so you cannot put 0 at this place. If you put 0 at 1000th place, it means that will remain 3-digit number. So at 1000th place, how many digits are available to put?
9.
How many digits? 9 digits. Very good. So we write like this. At 1000 place, we cannot put 0. Therefore, 9 digits are used at this place. Means if you cannot put 0 here, so remaining 9 digits from 1 to 9 that can be kept at 1000 place. So out of those 10 digits, you have kept one here, 10 digits. तो कितने प्लेसेस बच गए भरने के लिए?
9.
कितने प्लेसेस बच गए? 3 प्लेसेस. और हमारे पास डिजिट्स कितने हैं? डिजिट्स कितने हैं हमारे पास बचे हुए?
9.
9 डिजिट्स आर लेफ्ट, बिकॉज एक डिजिट तो हमने 1000 प्लेस पर यूज कर लिया. नाउ 9 digits are left. So here we write remaining 9 digits can be used in 3 places by how many? 9p3. 9 digits were remaining, and 3 places were remaining. So those 9 digits in 3 places can be used 9p3. So now total number here, we can put this by 9 ways. We can put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9. So 9 place, 4000 place can be used by 9 numbers, and other 3 places can be written 9p3. Now solve 9 into factorial 9 upon factorial 6. How factorial 6? 9 minus 3. Now solve 9 into 9 into 8 into 7 into factorial 6 upon factorial 6. This will go. Now multiply 9 9s are 81, 8s are, and total multiplication. What we have? 4536. I have the answer with me. 4536. You can check the product. So these many words can be, these many numbers can be formed using the digits 0 to 9, all 10 digits, where 4 digit numbers. So in 1000 place we cannot put 0. We can use only 9 digits from 1 to 9. So the answer is 4536. Got it, students? Any doubt, my dears? Good. Okay. Let's see. Question number 3. Same as the previous question. Third question. See, I am reading the question. How many 3-digit even numbers? How many 3-digit even numbers can be made using the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 6? See, given digits are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, means 5 digits. And we have to use in question 3 digits. Digits to be used 3.
Sir.
But case is we have to form the even number. Try to understand. I am making the box to make you understand. See, this is 1's place, 10's place, and 100 place. In the previous lecture, I told what is an even number. So number containing 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 on the ones place, at the ones place, then we can say this is even number. So we have to form the even number, 3-digit even number, using these digits only. So tell me one thing, how many digits can be used at ones place? How many digits can be used at
Three.
one place? 3-digit. That is 2, 4 or 6. 2, 4 or 6 we can use. So this ones place can be filled by 3. Or you can say out of these 3, 1 has to be used. Out of, you can write like this also, 3p1. 3p1 means out of those 3 digits we have to use one place. So if you solve this, factorial 3 upon factorial 3 minus 1, this is factorial 3 upon factorial 2, this is 3 into factorial 2 upon factorial 2. This will go by 3 ways. You can fill this box by 3 ways. So now, out of these 5 digits, 1 has been used. 1 has been used. Now, remaining 4 digits. Remaining 4 digits are there to fill. How many places? We have the digits 1, 2, 3. One more digit was there, my dears. 7 is left here. 6 digits are given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7 is given. So now remaining 5, 1 I have used here. So remaining 5 digits can be used in how many places? 2 places. So we write ones place can be filled by 3 ways. Now, remaining 5 digits are used in 2 places. Remaining 5 digits can be used in 2 places by 5p2 ways. By 5p2 ways. To solve this, total number, this one is 3 into 5p2. Solve this. 3 into factorial 5 upon factorial 3. 5 minus 2. So we can write 3 into 5 into 4 into factorial 3 upon factorial 3. This will go. How many numbers? 60 is the answer. 60 is the answer. Any doubt? Any doubt, students? Okay. So let's see question number 4. Question number 4. I am leaving for you. See, find the number of 4-digit number that can be formed using the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If no digit repeated, how many these are even? First of all, you have to answer 2 questions in this one. First question is, how many 4-digit numbers can be formed using the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? The total digits are given 5, and how many are you using? 4. So number of permutation or the number of total number is 5p4. 5p4. And in second part, how many of these are even? So in the same case here, for even number, 4-digit number, even out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can write two places, 2 and 4 here by 2 ways, and remaining 3 can fill 3 places. So 3p3 and factorial 3, and you can get the answer. So I am leaving this question for you. Now, question number 5 is very simple question. I am giving you the idea how to solve. From a committee of 8 persons, in how many ways can we choose a chairman and a vice chairman, assuming one person cannot hold more than one position? Means, what is the sense of this? Means one person can hold one position, means we have to use one chairman and we have to use one vice chairman. So how many total persons are? 8 persons. Total persons are 8. And how many are to be used? How many are to be used? 2 persons. 2 persons are to be used. So what is the permutation? What is permutation? That is 8p2. That is permutation 8p2. And you will solve this question. Got it? So you have to solve this question. See, I am solving question number 6. It is important question. Sometimes it is asked in the question paper. Anup sir, voice of the students are not coming to me. Voice of the students are not coming to me. नहीं आ रहा, बच्चों की आवाज नहीं आ रही हमारे पास. ये माइक काम नहीं, ये लाइट नहीं जल रही है इसमें. ऑन तो है लेकिन लाइट नहीं जल रही. लाइट नहीं, ये ब्लर बैटरी खत्म हो गई क्या? ये पहुंच रही है, बैटरी खत्म हो गई है. बैटरी, इसकी बैटरी बदलनी पड़ेगी इसकी. हाँ, छोड़ दीजिए, जान दीजिए, टाइम वेस्ट होगा बच्चों का. लाइट ही नहीं जल रही है, बैटरी खत्म हो गई है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, हाँ हाँ चेकिंग कर रहे हैं बच्चे. लेट्स सी द क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. Question number 6. Find n if n minus 1 p3. See, n minus 1 p3 is to n p4 is equal to 1:9. We have to simplify this. NP4 is to 1:9. Like, so first of all, we change this into fraction, and after that we will simplify. See, I'm writing. This is factorial n minus 1, or once you can write like this. See, n minus 1 p3 upon n p4 is equal to 1/9. Now let's simplify this. We have factorial n minus 1 upon factorial n minus 1 minus 3 upon, for this, factorial n upon factorial n minus 4 is equal to 1/9. This is fraction upon fraction. This will go here and this will come here. So we have factorial n minus 1 into factorial n minus 4 upon factorial n into factorial n minus, this is n minus 4. So this is factorial n minus 4 is equal to 1 upon 9. Factorial n minus 4, n minus 4 will go. Now, out of factorial n minus 1 and factorial n, which is larger one? Which is larger one? Tell me.
Factorial n.
Factorial n minus 1 and factorial n. Factorial n is larger. To expand this, we write like this: factorial n minus 1 upon n into factorial n minus 1. In descending order I am writing. So n minus 1, n minus 2 and so on is equal to 1 upon 9. This will go 1 upon 9 is equal, sorry, 1 upon n is equal to 1 upon 9. So n is equal to 9 is the answer. Any doubt, students? All right. Thank you very much. Now, question number 7 is same as question number 6. So, should I leave this for you? Should I leave this question 7 for you? You can try this question yourself. If any doubt, you may contact me. Now, question number 8. Question number 8. Very interesting question. How many words with or without meaning can be formed using all the letters of the word equation, using each letter exactly once? Means digits are not allowed to repeat. We are given the word equation, and in this word, how many alphabets are? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have to use 8 letters, and whenever you are given a word, quickly you have to check whether any letter is repeating. So we see that no letter is repeating here. So we have to use all 8 letters. So total letters in the word is 8. Number of letters to be used is 8. So number of words we find 8p8. That is factorial 8. All 8 can be used. So that is factorial 8. So how many you have to expand this? Since I remember the result of this is 40,320. Is the answer. Means you'll expand like this: 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So product of all these we have 40,320 is your answer. Any doubt? Now we are coming to next question. Question number 9. How many words with or without meaning can be made from the letters of the word Monday? Same as the previous question. See. This is question number 9. We are given the word Monday. and we are given three cases. So this word Monday, no letter is repeating. All different letters are. So question is, four letters are used at a time. First case, total letters is 6. In Monday, total letters is 6. First part, 4 letters are used. Then, number of words will be 8p4. 6p4. 6 letters are 6p4. Let's solve. This is factorial 6 upon factorial 2. 6 minus 4 is 2. We can write 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into factorial 2 upon factorial 2. This will go multiply 3 4 the 12 5 is 60, 6 the 360. Answer first. Second one, all letters are used at a time. All letters are used. In that case, we have 6p6. That is factorial 6. And factorial 6 is 720. This is answer second. Third one. Given all letters are used by first letter is a vowel. Means letter is given in the last question. First letter is a vowel. So try to understand. In this word Monday, how many vowels are? O and A. So O and A can be used first letter. You can see this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So first place can be filled by 2 letters. That is O or A. And remaining 5 can be used in 5 places. Remaining 5 can be used in 5 places. So first place can be used as factorial 2 or 2. Remaining 5 be used as 5p5. So this is 2 into factorial 5. Factorial 5 is 120. So 2 into 120, this is 240. 240 is the answer. Got it? Any doubt, students? Please reply. Okay. Now see this question, very interesting question. प्रमोद सर, आप क्लास कितने बजे से है? 5 मिनट और ले सकते हैं? ऊपर देखना है, देख लीजिए। नहीं हमको यहाँ पर पढ़ाने दीजिए, क्या करना है? ऊपर कोई और लेगा क्लास? सेल अगर हो तो मंगवा दीजिए, तुरंत लगा दें, फिर काम नहीं करेगी मेरी बात नहीं। हाँ, पतला वाला, नहीं नहीं वो नहीं है। हाँ घड़ी वाला है, जो घड़िया में लगता है जो। हाँ नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 स्टूडेंट्स, लेट्स सी। वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चन। Question is, in how many of the distinct permutation of the letter Mississippi, MSSI, SSI, PPI? This is the word Mississippi. Total letters 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Total letters 11. Now question is, how many words can be formed, then I will not come together. I will not come together. तो पहले तो हम बनाएंगे कि कुल कितने लेटर्स बनेंगे। तो सी, आई occurs 1, 2, 3, 4 times. S occurs 4 times. P occurs 2 times. P, so S is repeating 4 times, I is 4 times, P is 2 times. So how I told to write the permutation? Total words will be factorial 11 upon factorial 4 into factorial 4 into factorial 2. Factorial 4 for I, factorial 4 for O, S, factorial 2 for P. So we will solve this. We will solve this, and I am telling the result. I have written it. Its result is 34,650. Or you can write this. See, 11 into 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into factorial 4 upon factorial 4 into factorial 4 means what? 4 to the 12 to the 24 into 2. Now simplify this. Factorial 4 will go here. 6 to the 12 will go. 2 4 to the 8. 2 to the 4. Multiplying all these, we will have 34,650. इतने वर्ड्स बनेंगे, बट इसमें कहा गया है कि इसमें वो भी वर्ड्स हैं जिसमें चारों आई एक साथ आएंगे। तो ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हेन सी वी हैव आई 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 आई, ध्यान दीजिएगा ये 4 आई हैं एक साथ। तो ऐसे कितने जब एक साथ ये आएंगे, ध्यान दीजिए, जब कभी लेटर्स एक साथ आते हैं सेम लेटर, तो क्या होता है, उसको एक लेटर मान लेते हैं। तो अब क्या करेंगे, केस लिखेंगे इस तरह से, सी व्हेन ऑल आईज कम टुगेदर, तो नंबर ऑफ लेटर्स कितने हो जाएंगे? ध्यान दीजिए, टोटल 11 है, 11 में से चारों को निकाल दीजिए, बच गए 7, और वो चारों आई एक साथ एक बंच में रखेंगे तो वो एक आई को रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे। तो कैसे लिखते हैं इसको? 11 माइनस 4 प्लस 1। वाई, सारे 11 में से 4 आई को निकाल दिए और उसको एक आई बना के उसमें डाल दिए, तो कितना हो गया? 8। अब कितने वर्ड्स बनेंगे? अब कितने वर्ड्स बनेंगे? लेट्स सी, आई एम राइटिंग हियर, ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड। नंबर ऑफ वर्ड्स जो बनेंगे इसमें वो कितने बनेंगे? फैक्टोरियल 8 अपॉन फैक्टोरियल 4 इंटू फैक्टोरियल 2, क्योंकि अब आई रिपीट नहीं कर रहा है तो 4 आई को हटा दिया उसमें से, अब बचा 4 एस और 2 पी, तो फैक्टोरियल 8 अपॉन फैक्टोरियल 4 इंटू 2, and its result is, I have written, its result is 840. 840, ठीक है। नाउ कितने वर्ड? ये 840 वर्ड्स ऐसे हैं जिसमें चारों आई एक साथ आ रहे हैं। अब कितने वर्ड्स ऐसे हैं जिसमें आई नहीं आएंगे? तो इसमें से इसको माइनस कर देंगे। टोटल रिक्वायर्ड वर्ड्स इज 34,650 माइनस 840, उसको माइनस कर देंगे तो योर आंसर इज 33,810 इज द आंसर। तो दिस वॉज इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 10. One more question is there, since we don't have time, other teacher is to take class. So in next lecture tomorrow we shall see this question and other exercise also. So till then students, practice all these questions. All right, take care of self. Thank you very much. God bless you.
Thank you, sir.